How to accept or send friend request in Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will show you on how to accept or send friend request in Facebook Lite. So now let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook Lite application on your device. Now, to view and accept friend requests, tap the friend request icon in the top right corner of the screen. Here, you will see a list of people who have sent you friend requests. To accept a request, tap Confirm next to their name. But if you want to ignore, tap Delete. So now, how to send a friend request? All you need to do is, you need to go to the search icon, enter the name of the person you want to add. Now, go to their profile and tap Add Friend. That's it. You can now easily accept or send friend requests on Facebook Lite. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.